In this video, I will introduce a very important application for this graphing calculator, that is equation solver. So we go to Math, then upper arrow, go to this equation solver. Enter. In what situation we are supposed to use the equation solver? If it's a polynomial function, I recommend you guys using polynomial root finder. When you have any equation, the solution is unique. We only have one solution for the equation. Then try to use the equation solver. Look at this example. We have 2x minus 9 equals 2 over 3x minus 7 over 6. If you want to use equation solver, you have to change into equal 0 form. So you can move everything to the left side, get the 2x minus 9 minus 2 over 3x plus 7 over 6 equals 0. Remember, when you cross equal sign, you have to change the sign. Now we will put this equation solver. You will get the 2x minus 9 minus 2 divided by 3x, then plus 7 divided by 6. Then you put the enter. For over here, just put any number you like, because when you do the equation solver, you have to guess the solution first. So I think this is a 10. Then I do the alpha enter. You will get the solution. That will be 5.875. Now let's go to the next example. If we have f of x, this is a logistic function. 100 over 1 plus 50e to the negative 0.2x power. Then solve f of x equals 95. First of all, you will set up this function equals 95. Then you have to change into equal 0 form. Move 95 to the left side. But since this function is so complicated, we will go to y1 first. Then we put y1 into equation solver. Therefore, we go to y equals. We use alpha y equals. We get the fraction. This kind of fraction for equation solver is not available. That's the reason we use y1 equals. So we get the 100. Here you got the 1 plus 50. Then second divide its e power negative 0.2x. Then you will get minus 95. This is y1. Then you go to math. Use this upper arrow, go to equation solver, enter. So you clear this one. This time you will put alpha trace. We will put the y1 because we want to solve this y1 equal to 0. Then enter. Put any number. Normally I just put the 10. Then you do alpha enter. That's a solve. This will be your answer, 34.3. Let's do another example. Consider the function f of x equals x squared e to the 3x power. X is a positive. Solve f of x equals 5. For the equation solver, you can put the domain. But first of all, remember you have to get this x squared times e to the 3x and minus 5 equal to 0. So change into equal to 0 form. since we have e to the 3x power, I still want to use y equals. We got the x squared times second divide, that's e to the 3x power. And then you have minus 5. So go to math. We still want to get the y1 equal to 0. So this one you don't have to change, then enter. Here, look at the bound. This one you can change. This is from negative infinity to the positive infinity. I want to change into from 0 to positive infinity. So I do the delete. That's it. So I go here. Still, I use 10. You can use any number you want, but make sure this is a positive because the domain is greater than 0. So I do alpha, enter. You will get the 0.739 as your solution.